Now what if I told you there's a better chili crunch out there that you might not have heard about? With the huge popularity of chili crunch, it's easy to overlook this amazing alternative. I'm talking about salsa macha. This unique salsa is believed to have originated in Veracruz, Mexico, and it's made with Mexican dried chilies, garlic, peanuts, and sesame seeds. The name macha comes from the Spanish word machacar, which means to crush. Now you can use any combination of Mexican dried chilies and it will turn out fantastic. We start with guajillo peppers. These aren't very spicy, but they bring a nice earthy flavor and a deep red color to the salsa. It's essential to remove the stems and seeds, as guajillos have a lot of big seeds that we don't want in the final product. Next we have chipotle morita. This is by far my favorite Mexican dried chili. It's a fully ripened jalapeno that has been smoked. This adds a rich, smoky, and slightly sweet flavor to anything you add it to. Lastly, we have chile de arbol. It has a decent kick and a smoky, earthy taste. This chili will play a big role in our salsa because it's the spiciest and we're using it in the largest quantity. Before blending, we need to toast everything in 2 steps. First, we'll flavor the oil by toasting the garlic and chilies over low-medium heat. Keeping the heat low will avoid burning the garlic and the chilies, which can make the salsa bitter. To be extra careful, wait until the garlic is almost golden before adding the dried chilies. Once the chilies turn dark red and the garlic is golden brown, remove everything from the hot oil and place it in a heat-proof dish to cool. Next, we toast the peanuts and sesame seeds. I recommend starting with blanched peanuts instead of pre-toasted ones, as it's easy to burn them if they're already toasted. For this step, turn the heat up to medium-high and stir occasionally to ensure even toasting. The higher heat allows the peanuts to get really crunchy. When the peanuts are golden and the sesame seeds are aromatic, take them off the heat. Add the toasted peanuts and sesame seeds to the same dish with the garlic and chilies. You can also pour in the oil from the pan, as it should have cooled slightly. Once everything is cool to the touch, transfer the ingredients to a blender or food processor. To this, add Mexican oregano or marjoram. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong though. Then add a few tablespoons of white wine vinegar. This step is crucial because the acidity enhances the flavors and allows the salt to dissolve. Now, salt won't dissolve in oil alone, so the vinegar provides a bit of necessary water content. Finally, add a tablespoon of salt, and now we're ready to blend. Blend everything until you reach your desired texture. I prefer a smoother texture for my salsa macha, but you can stop sooner for a chunkier consistency. Store your salsa macha in an airtight container and put it inside the fridge, where it will keep for a couple weeks. Add it to eggs in the morning, pasta at lunch, or pizza at dinner. It's a fantastic way to add a bit of oil and spice to any dish.